Hey, what's up, people? So I'm not gonna be able to get to everything like I want to. Actually, I wanted to make a video yesterday, but I worked 14 hours again. That's like my second day in a row working 14 hours. I basically fell right to sleep when I laid down. Slept 9 hours last night, which was really nice. And then today, worked another 10 hours. Anyways, I got home and Antisocial Social Club finally arrived. And this is my very first Antisocial Social Club, so I definitely had to open it up. It's not the USPS merch. I wish it was that collab. I really wanted that stuff, but I mean, not enough to pay the resale. And then this shirt, actually, one of them anyways, is the Montana tee. So anyways, first when you get Antisocial Social Club, you do get a receipt, just a little paper receipt, it looks like. And then this Montana shirt, I grabbed it in medium. Look at that, it does come in plastic. Oh look, Antisocial Social Club has an app and you can scan this tag to check authenticity, so that's kind of a cool little feature. I got this in a size medium, little medium sticker on there, and in the back just a whole bunch of warning information, and the graphic is just some state flowers, and then Montana, because we are antisocial up here. Well, maybe I'm not that antisocial, but the other thing I grabbed was these cool socks. I really liked this stone looking tie-dye Antisocial Social Club sock. These look like they'll fit like a size large sock. If you've got a size 13, that's probably about the largest. If you're a 13 and a half or a 14, you might not want to cop the Antisocial Social Club socks unless you're okay with them being pretty snug. Yeah, so these socks definitely fit my 10 and a half foot really well. They don't feel extra snug or anything like that. And yeah, you got the Antisocial Social Club is on the other sock, I guess. I guess they designed these socks so that the graphic would actually be on the back of it, not on the side. I kind of twisted this one around thinking that's how it's supposed to be, but yeah, I'll have to wear those with a pair of shoes that I unboxed. I've got a couple of pairs I need to open, but like I said, I'm just waiting for time to be able to film. Okay, the next thing I grabbed was this belt that I thought was red, white, and blue, but apparently it's pink, red, and blue, which whatever. I mean, it's my plan to make this a work belt, you know, just because it has the different size options available. Yeah, you've got your Antisocial Social Club branding on the metal. Yeah, there it is. You can see the work on there. Not super thick. Basically a little thinner than a seatbelt. I am a 30 waist. I'll just throw it around my waist and be like, okay, here we go. Now you know, it's super, super long. So if you need a 42 waist, then this one will probably work for you. If you want this belt to actually stay tight, you're gonna have to loop it through, like, you know, just up and under. And then afterwards, you know, after you loop it like that, because it's just gonna come loose, you're gonna wanna loop this back through. And then you're gonna have that strength that you need a belt to have. Cool deal. So that'll oh, actually there is white on there. So there we go. Sweet. So this kind of goes with my uniform at the post office. So I'll definitely rock that. And then the last thing I grabbed a hoodie in large. It's this hoodie with the feathers on it, the peacock feathers. You got a large sticker on the front, just really super tiny. Bunch of warning information on the back, and since this is my first Antisocial Social Club merch, I am gonna open this stuff up. This sweater feels like it's really thin. When I got the package, like the bag in the mail, I was thinking, what, is this just the sweater or what's in here? Because it was so light. But yeah, this is really thin material. There's not much here. Yeah, it's not just peacock feathers. You got all these different feathers on here from different birds, so you know, you can have some good luck, know you're on the right path, seeing some feathers in your life. It's kind of a psychic thing. I don't know if you guys are into that. Let me throw the Montana shirt on first, because that one's really dope too. Let me open it up here. I'll show you the tags as well. So on the back of the neck, you got your information, made in USA, so that's nice. And then you got your special tag here. There's our graphic on there. It is basically a regular size medium. Then for the hoodie, they also put one of those special tags on there so you can get the code or whatever on their app. Oh, so you can verify authenticity on their app with this tag here. And then you've got your sizing information. And then down on the bottom left, you've got a wash tag on this. Not any more information besides just the brand of that company who actually produced this hoodie. But like I was saying, just crazy thin. It is nice fleece in there. I don't know how crazy warm it's gonna be, but we'll find out. I'll go ahead and we'll throw on this. Oh yeah, there's a graphic on the back. We'll throw on this Montana tee and see how this medium fits. And yeah, so this one definitely fits like a regular medium, nothing special. I've ordered a bunch of mediums because I was painting, or I mean, I want to get back to painting when work slows down. It's not so crazy. But these are all size mediums that I got. These organic tees, ethically made and whatnot. So yeah, this medium is not oversized at all. I'm expecting this hoodie to not be oversized either. There is one other thing. There's a little sticker on the inside underneath. It's like on the back part of it. There's a little tiny 19 on there. So I don't know what exactly that means. It's probably something to do with the material or the weight or something like that. But yeah, this hoodie is just, I mean, it's pretty cozy. It's not bad at all, actually. I've almost got all my Antisocial Club items on now since I'm wearing the socks. But anyways, what do you think about what's going on with Warren Lattis? I mean, I got a couple of things coming from him. I don't think they're gonna arrive anymore. It's kind of sad. But bootleg, what do you guys feel? I mean, this is obviously a Louis Vuitton print. I don't think Chinatown Market got the rights to be able to put that on a shirt. And I mean, they did their Nike Dior stuff, which I've done a video for that before. So it's like, where do you draw the line? I mean, obviously he is stealing a concept from them, but then isn't every piece of art is just kind of a recreation of what somebody has done in the past? I mean, I don't really know where the logic is exactly. I mean, could somebody who uses the continents be trying to sue me for me using the continents when I'm not thinking I'm stealing it from anybody? I don't know. But anyways, regardless, let's see, what else do we have? We could open up some Palace. We could open up some Fear of God. What do you guys want? Huh? Tell me. Okay, you guys voted for Palace. We're gonna open up this Palace tee. I thought this one was so cool. When I saw the graphic, I had to grab it and pick it up in a size medium, I think is what I think I got a size large because I want more winter stuff. Yeah, Palace always gives a little receipt, and then normally they give a sticker. They have a return form, and yes, we did get a sticker. Nice. We got that Palace Tri-Ferg on here, and you can't really see it because it's a clear sticker with some white ink on there. So anyways, here is this camel t-shirt with the the double sticker on there. I don't know. It's supposed to be orange under there. Can you kind of see that comment? But no. It's black. It's large. It's 48 bucks. And then we have our Tri-Ferg on the front, obviously, warning information on the back of the Ziploc bag. And we have the tee. There it is, size large, saying Palace. You got your camel rider, and back of the neck, you've got the triangle, Palace on both sides, L for large. And then on the inside left, you have your Palace Skateboards wash tag and information on this tee. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and I'll swap out these get-ups for this new Palace strip. Let's try it out. All right, yeah, with this large, it is a tiny bit oversized, maybe a little bit more in the shoulders and the sleeves or whatnot. The length, maybe a tiny bit more for a large, but not to an extra large. It's not the size of an extra large, but it is bigger than maybe a regular size large would be. And then last but not least, let's get into this Fear of God tee. This is in the Sage. I can't remember exactly the color of the Sage. Maybe it's on here. No, it's not. So, okay. It was Alfalfa. That's what it was. Alfalfa Sage. But I got a receipt here. It does come in this smoked out Essentials Fear of God. It says right there. The Ziploc bag just opens up real nicely for us. Some warning information. Our little sticker tag down here on the plastic. There it is. And there we go. It says Essentials, and it's this, what is it called? Silicone print, or silicone cutout, and then they glued them on. I don't know exactly, but it's the PacSun. That's where I got it from anyways. PacSun is the vendor. It looks like for this tag, they did use a little safety pin, but PacSun, they're just like, I don't even care. They went ahead and used that standard, gouge the piece with plastic. So you have to break that one. We'll look at the tags on the back of the neck, which looks like they did use silicone for that tag, so that all has lift on there, that Essentials Fear of God. And then on the back, that's just like a rubber tag as well. And then down at the bottom left, look at that. I bought a medium, didn't I? What is up with that? Come on, Jerry. What are you doing? This is ridiculous. That's silly. But yeah, made in Vietnam, hopefully ethical. And there's your wash care instructions on there. Yeah, and this one says medium. This Pac Sun tag, other tag here just says essentials, fear of God. But yeah, this one says medium. You can't always get what you want, but if you try sometime, it doesn't matter though, because it's so oversized. This is basically a size large, so maybe they purposefully gave me a small, saying like, nah dude, like this is a medium. And what is up with this? This one here says medium, made in Vietnam. This other little tag, look at that little thing, it's right next here. I didn't even see that one before, but look at that little tiny tag. That one says medium. So I'm not even sure. Maybe this S on here is for something different. Super speedy, or no, wait, that's two S's. I have no clue. But yeah, this is super oversized. It is way bigger than this Palace shirt. I mean, you can tell that it is a little bit shorter, or maybe you can't, but I can tell it's a little bit shorter, but the width is crazy on this. So let's go ahead, I'll throw it on and we can check it out. And yeah, so width, much wider than that Palace tee. I mean, honestly though, the length might be about the same. And then the sleeve length a little bit shorter, so just a totally different cut. And yeah, that rubber, what do you guys think about that rubber graphic? It's kind of cool, and you got the little graphics on the back, kind of some cool touches there. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's read some positivity, shall we? We looked at a couple of different things. Talked about Warren Lottis and his whole scandal thing that's happening. Hopefully I get some money back. We got a few $100 that are gone forever, maybe. One of the tees was the Lakers tee that was really dope. Oh, I really wanted that tee. And then obviously the Lakers win the finals. I was able to watch the Lakers game while I was in Glacier National Park, found a sports bar. But anyways, I'm really sad because I'm not going to be able to rep any Lakers gear, LeBron gear. I was really hoping to, and I totally skipped a bunch of the other merch because I had that Warren Lottis tee coming, and now it's not coming. It looks like I'm not getting my Jeff Stapleton dunks either, which you can hate me for grabbing those, but honestly, I'm totally into artists and new artists doing creative things and things that really shatter the current system or really like shake it up and stuff. So anyways, people have been hating on him, and I haven't really talked about him because I haven't gotten anything in yet, but yeah, whatever, we'll see. I need all that Marvel stuff, and that probably didn't get regulated either. You probably didn't ask about it. But anyways, I'm gonna read a poem from A Portable Paradise by Roger Robinson. He was the winner of the T.S. Eliot Prize in 2019. This book was published in 2020, it looks like, or copyright 2019, 2020. And then towards the end, there's one I wanted to read for you guys. A bunch of these, you really have to, you know, do some deep thinking into them, and there's some really long ones in here. This one is kind of long, so yeah, I won't talk about it too much, but let's go ahead and read A Portable Paradise. And if I speak of paradise, then I'm speaking of my grandmother, who told me to carry it always on my person concealed so no one else would know but me. That way they can't steal it, she'd say. And if life puts you under pressure, trace its ridges in your pocket. Smell its piney scent on your handkerchief. Hum its anthem under your breath. And if your stresses are sustained and daily, get yourself to an empty room, be it a hotel, hostel, or hovel. Find a lamp and empty your paradise onto a desk. Your white sand, green hills, and fresh fish. Shine the lamp on it like the fresh hope of morning, and keep staring at it till you sleep. We all need to have that easy escape, that simple escape to where we can just gather our thoughts, just bring ourselves to a place of peace and serenity and paradise. Life can just be hitting you hard and just it keeps coming at you like it is with me right now, just with everything I'm trying to do and just all the different people that are coming at me in all the different fields of work that I'm doing right now. But I still have to remember to keep that inner joy that I can just go back to. And if there's just overload of information, overload of stresses, I can just take a moment, take a step back, and just refocus on myself and just remember what my goal is, why I'm even alive, all these other humans on this planet, and how we can just make it better for the other humans that we leave here when we take off and go wherever we go when we all sleep. But anyways, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it will be soon. So peace out.